On in this video, I will be showing you how to change crosshair in CS2. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Steam and then look for Crossfire and then tap play and wait for a couple of minutes or seconds, depends on your internet. And then once on, all you have to do is to click play. Now you have to make sure also that you're using the latest version of this game in order for you to avoid some errors here. It's pretty simple. Once you are in your CS2, what you want to do is to locate settings, and then here you will see options like audio, game, keyboard, mouse. So all you have to do is just simply go to the side right here and then tap crosshair. That is under game. So all you have to do is to tap game and then click crosshair. And then here you can just simply change your crosshair style. And apart from that, you can also change other settings and options here, such as friendly fire reticle warning, fellow recoil, center dot, length, thickness, gap, outline, red, green, alpha, T style, deployed weapon gap. So all you have to do is simply change the settings here, and that's how easy it is. Now, if you want to go back, all you have to do is simply go to game or tap game, then it will take you directly to your CS2 Go. Now, if you wanted to go back again, so just simply tap settings, go to game, and then go to crosshair if you want to change your crosshair style. So that's how easy it is to simply change crosshair in CS2. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.